Usually, whenever you're trying to clean electronics or a bunch of dust off of something, that's when you would use something like this, a can of compressed air. I built this Lego air compressor to harness the power of air, which doesn't seem really powerful, but trust me, it will be. And once we power this up,
much later. Much later.
one more should do it. Alright, pretty sure this last one's gonna get it. And would you look at that? Perfect! Now let's go see if it can actually clean off some electronics. After all, that's why people buy compressed air. I'd give that a solid sort of. But how about actual electronic components? Let's try an actual computer part. Apologies in advance for the fan noise, but it is 120 degrees Fahrenheit in this room. Well, so much for that idea. Looks like I'm going to run an errand across town to pick up some compressed air anyway today. So, I'll go do that, and you guys leave a like and a comment on the video and make sure you're subscribed, and we'll call it a day.